Good morning, good morning, good morning. Be my last video for the day as it's pissing down now and the tractor's really struggling for traction. Should have probably given up about half an hour ago, but fuck it. I'll go until the tractor decides to stop and doesn't want to go anywhere anymore. Sort of like that. Come on, girl. Just got to keep readjusting the level of the tines and she shouldn't get bogged, hopefully. Come on, big bitch. Ah, come on. Come on. Yeah, I think that's it for the day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll finish this last pass and then I'm calling it. Because I'm going sideways at the moment. Oh well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the day. She's done. I'm not doing any more. Yeah, watch the big mud clumps fucking fall off the tractor. She's got mud. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, I better go and ring the boss and tell him I can't carry on. Enjoy your afternoon, evening, morning, whatever the fuck you want to have it as. Sweet as. See you.